Hello students, welcome to my channel Priya Gulati Maths. Children, today I will do question number 3, real numbers chapter, exercise 1.3. The question says prove that 1 upon root 2 is irrational. Now this question we have to do by contradiction method. What is meant by contradiction method? This I have already explained to you in detail in question number 1 and 2. So please go back to those videos of question number 1 and 2 in order to understand this question properly. So let us come to the question. We have to prove 1 upon root 2 is irrational. In contradiction method, we have to assume just the opposite of what I have to prove. For example, in this I have to prove 1 upon root 2 is irrational. So what I will assume? Let us assume to the contrary that 1 upon root 2 is rational. Means irrational को हमको rational assume करना है. So if 1 upon root 2 is irrational, I can express it in the form of a rational number a upon b, where a and b are integers and they are co-primes. Co-prime means I cannot cancel them. A and B don't have any common factor. And of course B should not be equal to 0, because if B is 0, A upon B will become undefined. So this is what I have to write it as A upon B. Now what I will do, cross multiply. So I get root 2 gets multiplied with A. So root 2A equals to B into 1 gives you B. Now I will isolate root 2. So I will remove a from left side. So I will bring a on the right side. So I get root 2 equals to b upon a. This is your expression number 1. Now what do you see in the right side of this expression? That b is an integer, a is an integer. Means numerator integer, denominator integer. Means integer upon integer. Since integer upon integer by the very definition gives you a rational number. So it means that right hand side is a rational number. So I write, since both b and a are integers, therefore right hand side of equation 1 is a rational number. Therefore root 2 should also be a rational number. If right side is a rational number, the left side will also be a rational number. But we know that root 2 is irrational. Remember children, square root of any prime number is always a irrational number. So remember this formula, 2 is a prime number. So square root of 2 is an irrational number. But what we are getting in the end, that root 2 is a rational number. So it means this is a incorrect statement, because we know that root 2 is irrational. So therefore our assumption that 1 upon root 2, this we have assumed in the beginning, our assumption that 1 upon root 2 is rational is incorrect. So if our assumption is incorrect, so what do we conclude? That 1 upon root 2 is irrational. Means whatever we were required to prove is the correct statement. If whatever is required to prove is the correct statement, means our question is done. Means we have proved that 1 upon root 2 is irrational. I hope children you have understood this question. Bye bye.